So after Connolly gave us a good start, got the ball in the middle of the innings, we weren't able to get some outs in the middle of the innings. Talk about the game tonight.
Yeah, well, I think we made some bad decisions on bunt plays. I think that hurt us. We put too many runners on base by walks and a couple people. I thought Jeff threw well. I thought Corey threw well. And then we threw well in the end. But between there, we didn't throw real well, and we've got to do better than that. We will, and we got to make better bunt plays. But we have guys playing out position. So that makes a difference, and but we couldn't do anything different. But what I like about our guys was I thought we battled tremendously. I thought I don't know how many times we were behind, but we kept battling back. And there in the end, I thought we just got a little bit too, we just need to be more patient. And that's the problem there in the end. When you're trying to rally, you can't just do everything at once. You got to take your time and make things happen. But I like the way we played. I thought we played really good defense tonight, and I thought we did some good things. And we got 43 games left. I wasn't exactly sure we was going to win 44 in a row, but we got to come back out the next night and Sunday night, play better, and we'll go from there.